The Vans Birds pack arriving today. We just covered the navy. Now we're on the hunter green. Authentics. As Vans people know, these are the ones without the padding on the inside. Like a deconstructed. Very comfortable. They work out well in this shoe. It's an older model. An icon. These are from the Vans California line. The Vans California this year has been coming up with some nice concepts. Something very off the wall, pun intended. Bright colors, good looks, and not something you see all the time. I'm anxious for them to continue on with their current trend of shaking the market up. These have the surf style sole, as opposed to the waffle pattern. Very well done overall. Original pictures were a little bit brighter. I'm glad to see that these are a little bit more of a flat colorway. I think they really do the shoe well, how they've completed this package. A great use of color on both pairs. Hard to decide right now which one is my favorite between the two. Probably passing on the trout pack, but the birds, all there. The blue ones, the hunter greens, how do you go wrong? As always, you can find me at samcolt12.com, also on Google+, Instagram, and Vidi. Let's do a side-by-side real quick. There we go, the complete package. The Vans Authentics from the California line, the Birds pack. I predict these will not last long. Get them while you can.